Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Engineering Academy. So myself Amit. In this part of the video, I'd like to tell you some of the basics about the Excel sheet. Okay, I'll come to desktop. So I'll just show how to open the Excel. Okay, I'm just opening the Excel sheet here. You can see here Microsoft worksheet. So the Excel sheet has been opened. So there are many Microsoft softwares. Why actually we are using Microsoft Excel only? So what is the reason? In one word, I can say it is like a macro calculator. You can easily do without calculator any kind of calculations in this Microsoft Excel. That is the reason why while doing any kinds of design, while doing the design formats, we are making use of. So here I'll just show you the basics. How does the Microsoft Excel works? So here I will enter some of the values 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, something like that. Okay, I need to add all these values. How will I add? So while adding, the one thing you need to keep in the mind here, first you need to press on equal sign. Okay, after pressing on equal sign, you need to open a bracket. Opening the bracket is not at all compulsory. Okay, just to be on the safer side, we are going to open the bracket. I need to add all these things. First, what I will do, I'll just click upon this. Okay, then I'll press plus button in the keyboard, then plus, then I'll keep here. See, the abbreviations which is showing here is, see, it is showing B2 plus B3. What is B2? B2 means B here, this is 2. Okay, B3, then again B4, and I'll enter these three. Okay, it is asking, see, it is showing some error report because I had not closed the bracket here. Okay, if I press no, it will give a warning sign. I'll just close the bracket and I'll give the enter. It will come 11. So how much? 2 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 5, 2 plus 4 is 6. If I add these three things, it will come to be 11. Okay, I'll just double click on this. Okay, it has taken these three values. I want other values. So what I'll do, I'll come here, I'll just plus, enter. So while putting I'll just delete this. While putting, I need to add this. It will not take. Okay, if I press the equal button, then it will take plus this like this. Okay, this is one. Now I need to multiply all these things. What I'll do, again I'll press a equal sign. I'll press this. Instead of putting plus, I'll put into in the keyboard, into. I'll just press enter. It is 40. That is 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40. So I taken like this. I taken length, breadth and height. Okay, I'll just take length as 12 meters or something, breadth as 10, height as 25 something. Okay, what is the area? Area I'll just write here. What is the area? Area is equal to length into breadth into height. That formula you know that. So length into breadth into height. If you enter, you'll get an area like this. Sorry, this is volume, not area. Just correct it. Okay. Instead, I'm just taking a area. I need to write area over here. Okay. So what I will do, area is length into breadth, volume is length into breadth into height, where area is equal to length into breadth. So I'll just press equals. I'll go here. I will enter this thing into breadth. Okay. Also we can do in one more way, that is equals. Okay, which is equal to length into breadth. You know the value of length, that is 12, into what is the value of breadth, that is 10. If I enter, I'll get the same value. But what is the advantage of doing like this means, see, if I change the value length, instead of 12 I'll give some 14. Ultimately the value changes. But here entered it manually, the value is not going to get changed. Okay, if I change the value of the breadth is 20 or something like that, automatically the value is getting changed. Here also, if I change, see, subsequently if I change here 12, area is also getting changed because volume is also getting changed, because this is in some format. But what about is 120? 120 is not at all in a format. It is just a basic calculator. If you want to do anything 15 into 30 or like that, if you want, you can do it. But while doing the format, I need to do it like this. So some of the data I have written here. It's just an example. Now I need to find the mu limit. So what is the formula for mu limit? Mu limit is equal to 0.138 FCK BD square. So how to calculate this? So just I'll come here. I'll just put an equal sign. I'll open the bracket. I'll 0.138 into. So what is the value of FCK? FCK is into B. What is the breadth? Again into. What is the depth? Depth is this, but they have given BD square. How will you write the D square? That is very simple. Just write shift 6. Okay, that is the power, and write 2. Close the bracket and just enter. Okay, you'll get it. So one thing I would like to tell you, while applying the formulas, it is equivalent or similar to your scientific calculator. While using your scientific calculator, how will you use the brackets? In the similar way, use the brackets over here and you'll get. So now I'll take one more equation which is little complicated. Okay, here I have given some data, that is mu limit, FCK and Fy. I need to find. So here I have given some data, that is mu limit, FCK and Fy. Here I need to find the effective depth. So how to find the effective depth? Of square root of, okay, the formula is D is equal to root of mu limit divided by 0.133 FCK into B. Okay, so just change here, this is not Fy, just take it as B. Fine. Now how to put the formula? First of all, the first and foremost thing we need to do is first equal sign, then open the bracket. Okay, there is a square root for all things, there is a square root. So what is the shortcut I am going to do? Square root, the shortcut for square root is SQRT. You will find it like this, just click upon this. Okay, square root, and again I am going to open a bracket. However, if you are going to open many number of brackets, then it will be very good. Okay, so mu limit. Okay, I'll just close the bracket here. One more bracket is there here, divided by. Again I'm opening the bracket. So 0.133 that I had to give here into FCK into, what is the value of B? Value of B is 250. I'm just going to click here and I'm closing the bracket, and again I need one more bracket, 3 brackets I need. Okay, then I will enter. So this is what you are getting. So somewhere if a person is designing, so I don't want FE415 still, instead of FE415 I need to provide FE500 still. So then at that time if I just change here FE500, that is enough, the effective depth is going to get changed. So this is how we are going to create a format. Okay, so this is the more basics. If you know how to draw, like how to add the solutions, like by first pressing the equal sign, it is enough. So I'll end with the session. In the part 3 of the video, I'm going to start the design. Okay, in the same format, I'm using the Excel sheet here and a rough column here. We'll do the manual design here, and later we'll enter the values in the Excel sheet. The both value we need to get same. Then our answer will be correct. Okay, thank you guys. Meet you in the part 3 of the video. Thank you and all. Bye bye.